You have the blue. This is the Studio Mini 2023. Looks like this. A little bit of camera feature here. Texture on the back. Blue logo right here. We need to factory reset it, so let's get into it. We're going to hold volume up and power at the exact same time. Volume up and then power. And as soon as we see the blue logo, let go. Right there. And just a few seconds, it should bring up the Fallen Android no command right here. So at this step, we're going to hold down power and then quick touch volume up. Hold down power, quick touch volume up. That brings up the Android recovery menu. Now we'll scroll with volume to wipe data factory reset. We'll press OK with power right here. And then one more time, scroll with volume. This is going to wipe all user data and this cannot be undone. Press OK with power right here. Could take a few minutes to maybe only a few seconds to get the data wipe is complete. And now it is safe to reboot the system. Remember, if you've set up your Blue phone with your Google or your Gmail account or any other email account, especially if you've turned on the security feature, Find My Phone, Find My Device, you will 100% still need your Google, Gmail login and password to log back into your phone. All right, if this has helped you, please like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.